Woodside chief says more incentives needed for lower emissions. We reveal the small cap mining stock that caused a trading frenzy today. And an Aussie wine label questions its collab with a US rapper. Trading Up, a collaboration by The West Australian and Grapher. We start with the government copping a broadside from Woodside. Speaking at a speech in Perth, CEO Meg O'Neill put the spotlight on Prime Minister Albanese, asking him to match the approach of the US government, which gives incentives to oil and gas companies to encourage lower emissions. O'Neill described the US approach as offering a carrot to energy producers to reduce emissions by giving tax breaks on completed projects. She compared Australia's approach as beating energy producers with a stick. No doubt a reference to the $2.4 billion in extra tax that LNG producers were slugged with in the budget recently. Staying with resources, and shares of the big iron ore miners fell today following a drop in the iron ore price. And given it's our biggest export, this has a big impact on the share market overall, which closed down more than 1%. When the market is down, it makes those firecrackers all the more obvious. Charger Metals, Grapher's dark horse of the day. The Perth-based miner has seen its share price soar 95% in the last 30 days after announcing that drilling had commenced at its Bino lithium project in NT recently. Still to come, we reveal another lithium stock that went to the moon today, and the US rap star whose wine label is bottom of the barrel. Stay tuned. Another company in the spotlight, but for all the wrong reasons, is PricewaterhouseCoopers. The global accounting firm is in serious damage control after their tax scandal just got worse. Treasury officials are referring the case to the cops, who'll investigate whether PwC's former head of international tax used confidential government information to benefit their clients. Keep an eye on this one. Better news for Optus though, who today reported a full-year profit of more than $250 million. Profit actually increased 4.5% compared to the previous year. Data breach? What data breach? Perhaps a sign that even a data breach can't bring down a telco. It turns out US rap star Snoop Dogg isn't the best at selling wine. The 19 Crimes wine label, which features Snoop's face on the bottle, is struggling for sales, according to the boss of Treasury Estates, who owns the brand.
My legacy? That's defined by me. And you better know by now, I'll never let anyone get in my way. That's the taste of redemption. 19 Crimes, Cali red wine.
Treasury Estates flagged lower profits today due to the fall-off in wine sales. The Melbourne-based wine and beverages maker, which owns the Penfolds and Wolf Blass brands, as well as 19 Crimes, said earnings will be down up to 3% this year. And finally, that lithium stock that sparked a trading frenzy today, New Age Exploration. Investors piled into the stock after the company announced it had scored high-grade lithium at its Pilbara-based mine. The price shot up 40%. You can find more business news content on thewest.com.au, or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapher.com. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. I'm Sarah Hughan. See you next time.